Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the MicroPro Grill in action. That's it there. It's got a fused metal base and a fused metal lid, which causes the food to brown in the microwave. So to start with, we have our bread. Oops. Butter. I'm doing toasted ham and cheese and tomato sandwiches.
You've been distracted. We're just dying. Relentless. You haven't sustained the distractions. The father came away from school just as I started making progress.
Some cheese. These are the clear mates. You can see through them so you know how much cheese etc. you've got. I love them. I want more. And to close them, just do the corners and then press on the middle. And some ham.
Nurturing the evil within you, Hugo, just as I did with all the others.
Oops.
Yes, of course you did. But then you must trust me. See, the lion grew the most powerful, richest ever warrior that fits very well with us.
You can tell I don't do this very often. And some tomato.
I realized that I only have a small window at this age in which to change him, but I am close. Very close.
Probably not the best way to cut a tomato, but it's the way I've always done it.
Yeah, it's about my nephew. He's 2 and a half, and he's just going through some stuff, and I was kind of hoping you could help me understand.
Put that on there. I like to put a little smidgen of butter on the outside, just to help it golden up a bit. Now, pop that in here. So, add a little bit more butter. I haven't actually tried it without the butter. Should do that one day. And basically the lid will actually go 2 ways. So this way, the lid will actually sit up on the top of the rim there, so it doesn't actually touch the sandwich. This is what you use for doing cakes, etc. And when you turn it that way, it will actually sit down on top of the sandwich, so that it'll toast each side. I do turn it over in the middle. So now I'm going to put it on in the microwave for 5 minutes. I'll take it out, I'll turn it over and put it in for another minute, and I'll show you what it comes out like when I come back. I'll see you soon. Okay, so we're back and taken it out of the microwave. Now this is very hot, so just be careful when you take it off. And there's our sandwich one way. When you, it's actually got a ridge here. If you can see that, it's higher here than there. So when you actually put that down, don't put it direct, I wouldn't put it on the bench, but you put it down, you can put it down that way and it's not actually going to touch the board. Now, good day. Just get a slide to lift it up. It will sit as a non-scratch base, so I'm going to flip it over. Oh, look at that. I don't actually have to do it anymore. That has cooked perfectly without turning it over. So, and there it is. That is our toast. That's my lunch. My toasted ham and cheese and tomato sandwich in the MicroPro Grill. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. Bye.